It's a medium-sized box, and the first model is Ben. Oh man, dirty. And this is Bertie the Bass. Here is Gordon. Is this? Yes, it's cut. Looks good, decent condition. Here is Henry, looking good. Milk tanker, fuel tanker. So it's missing the couplers. I mean, this motorized tender. Oh, the decal is gone. I think this was Scarlois. I don't know if it was Puppet Show. Let me know in the comments. And here is, I think this is part of the jet engine set. Thomas and the jet engine. Oh, it's missing the battery. I mean the battery terminal. What else? What else? Obviously a bunch of tracks. This one is Tomy. Gordon comes with the battery cover. That is good. Another Tomy. Decals are good. I've been painting lately these Thomas. Here is another Tomy. I'll check in a minute if these models run. According to the seller, it says they are not working. Yeah, I can see that. It's not working. We'll check this and we're gonna test. Oh, it's Bill. So we have this set, Ben and Bill. That is good. Another Thomas. Oh, look at these guys. It's the one of the first generations that is missing the middle wheel, and I hope this comes with golden plated battery. Oh, it's missing, but it's not golden plated. But anyways, still very good condition with the middle wheels missing. The rest is only tracks. This product has been sent by INTOVAL. INTOVAL 140 watt USB-C charger block comes with 8 ports. It's a charging station for multiple devices like iPhone, MacBook, Galaxy, iPad, and more. It comes with a power cord. Just plug it in the back. In the front, you see this little tiny light that indicates we have power. 265 watt USB-C ports, 220 watt USB-C port, and 18 watt USB ports. We are ready to do some tests, and I already plugged a lot of USB-C ports and USB cables, and I am charging my headphone. That thing over there is charging. This one too, power bank. This tablet too, all at the same time. Good product. Check the link in the description. INTOVAL. So what a great opportunity to test the INTOVAL multiple port charging. I am going to do not attempt this at home. So what we're gonna do is test all these models and see if they power up. Otherwise we're going to give them some charge with the USB ports. So first try, we have Bertie the Bass. Is it in on? Okay, here is the on position. There you go. I can hear the motor. Yeah, we can hear the motor. Unfortunately, it looks like it's blocked in some way. Yeah, I heard the motor was running inside, so that means it works, but it needs to be dismantled. Next is Bill. So it's the USB port is 5 volts for these models. Obviously Bill is not reacting. Battery terminals are clean. Now I'm going to connect the USB port. See, it's working. So definitely you can use this INTOVAL multiple charging station to start up your models. Now Bill is working. So the next model is Ben. Ben also good battery terminals. Checking. Notice it's not working, no reaction. So I'm gonna keep at 5 volts. It is running now. Interval is doing a good job right now. Check. I'm using the lower ports. Do not use the other ports because there is more power than required to crank up the Thomas and Friends models. Next we have Scarlois. I think Scarlois and something. I forgot. A little stain from corrosion. Let's check. It does not start up. We leave it. What is going on? It looks like something it's preventing from. Well, let's try see if yes, it does not engage. As you can see, the wheels don't engage. Something it's blocking, but the motor reacts. Now let's check the battery. Yeah, you can hear it. It's running. That's good. And next we have Gordon. If you notice, this version is the version. I mean, this is one of the first models actually. Check the date, 1995. This one doesn't say 2002 like others. This is very old. That is nice. Okay, let's see if this model runs. I can see wheels does not engage. One of those cogs it's broken, but you can hear it is running. That's good. Yeah, this is very old. I think it's one of the first generations of models. Next we have Henry Tomy 1993. This one say 1993 and 2002. But I can read here 1993. Obviously, if it does have 2002 at the end, that means on this side, that means that's the date it was made, 2002. But this one works. Good, good, good. This one is working. So we are lucky that we make this run. Okay, let's check these ones too. Little corrosion. Finally, we got the battery terminals that I was expecting to get them from China. Unfortunately, I will not recommend those because they break very easily. So I don't want you to ask where do I get it. They are not. I don't recommend it. It's really bad battery terminal. So this motor completely dead. I think it's the battery, the corrosion that went through the motor. Yeah, I see no reaction. It's completely dead, and that's because of the corrosion located on this battery terminal. Now, this is Harvey's Motorizer 10 coach. It looks clean. No. Okay, we are going to give them a little boost. There you go. It's skipping a step. The gear skipping some steps. That means, yeah, I can see. I'll see if I can stop it right, or at least I want to show you right there. See that crack right there on the driving axle that needs to be replaced? But at least the motor is working and it's clean. That is good. That is good, 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 good. Okay, next is another Henry. Oh, this one has a broken wires, but the good thing comes with the battery terminal. The battery terminals are clean. That's good. Just need a little rewiring. That's not a big deal. Excellent. Here is another Gordon. 1995, 2001. Okay, let's compare this. Can you see this? This one says 1995, 1995, and this one says 1995 and 2001. See what I'm trying to say? Wires look okay, but the terminals are very clean. There you go. It's moving, and it's very quiet compared to other models. Yeah, this is definitely good. That is good. That comes with a battery cover. All right. Next we have Thomas the Tank Engine. This is 2002. It says 1992 on the bottom. Also, very. Oh man, it's missing the lever. See that? I'm going to push it with this roller. There is no reaction. Oh, okay. I think I hear something. Okay, we are going to connect it to the interval power station. Now we have a running model, noisy and skipping a step, not a big deal. This Thomas the Tank Engine, it's okay. Okay, next, okay, I want to bring these three engines to the front. One of these was missing the battery. Okay, but we can try. Still, we can try make it work. So I'm going to connect it right there. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to make it run without the battery. Can you hear it? Even it's really good actually. Even without the battery terminal, we make it run. And the next is another Thomas. These battery terminals are clean. No power at all, so we are going to connect, giving 5 volts. There you go. Good, good, good. Where my batteries at? Nice. We need driving code, driving axle code. Sounds good, perfect. And the last model we have, let me tell you something. This has a special motor that nobody knows or nobody talks. I will explain you later. But this motor, it's designed to be big and different. Let's compare. I'm going to show you real quick. See that size, and this is a larger size, and the design on this model. And actually, over the years, I removed. Okay, there's no battery terminal. Oh man, I can't. I removed all the motors. I have them stored and I saved them. This motor is a little faster than the other models, so I remove the screws. I'm gonna pull the motor out, make a direct test. It's working. That is good. Excellent. Big difference. Alright guys, I'm done with this mail time. Check the link in the description. INTOVAL for multiple port charging for multiple devices. Nice product. Thanks, INTOVAL.